We will now take a closer look at the flow of air during the operation of the air conditioner. In ventilation mode, the cooling and heater circuits are switched off. The return air damper wings are in open position so that the air can enter the return air opening of the air conditioner. From the two return air grills located in the ceiling of the passenger saloon, return air enters into the saloon HVAC unit. Fresh ambient air is drawn in through the weather protection grills on both sides of the HVAC unit. The fresh air quantity varies with the passenger load. The HVAC controller receives a passenger load signal via TIMS and operates the fresh air dampers accordingly. The fresh air and return air flows meet in the mixed air compartment. Fresh air filters positioned behind the dampers capture dust and other foreign particles carried with the fresh air. From the mixed air compartment, the supply fan draws the mixed air through the mixed air filters, cooling coil, and the heater bank. Remember, neither the cooling coil nor the heaters are energized in ventilation mode and will not affect the temperature of the air. The mix of the fresh and return air is finally discharged into the supply air duct installed above the ceiling of the passenger saloon.